When you're trying to type in a small space or move a small object, one helpful tip is to zoom in on the slideshow. And once you have either typed what you're going to be typing or moved whatever image you're going to be moving, you can then zoom back out to fit the screen with the slide. To divide a whole number by a decimal, we're going to start by placing our dividend and our divisor into our division problem. Our divisor is 4/10, but we don't want to have a decimal in our divisor, so we're going to move the decimal point to the right, which is really increasing the 4/10 10 times so that it is now worth 4. And whatever we do to our divisor, we have to do to our dividend. So we move the decimal point in 530 to the right once, which is the same thing as multiplying that by 10. So both our dividend and our divisor have increased 10 times. Now we can divide just like we would with whole numbers. And if you have an extra space after your last whole number before the decimal point, we're going to put a 0 there because we increased that number 10 times, and now we have a digit in that place that we can bring down. After we follow all of our division steps, we end up with a final answer of 1,325.